I read a hadith that scared me. I must admit, it scared me. Kind of helped me get myself together. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if there's some Muslim on Yawm al-Qiyamah who owes zakat, have gold and silver, and didn't pay the zakat, Allah will heat up the gold and silver in the fire of hell until it becomes so hot that Allah will brand the person who didn't pay zakat on his forehead, on his side, and on his back. And when the brand becomes cool, he will put it back again in the fire of hell and heat it again, and then place the heat brand on the forehead, in the back, and on the side. And when it cools, then he would heat it up again, and he would do it again. And when it cools, he would heat it up again. How long? A day. How long the day? Hamsina al-Fasal, 50,000 years until everybody's judged. Now I started thinking, wait a minute, Judgment Day. You see, brothers and sisters, see, judgment take time. You ever go to court? You ever see a court case? O.J. Simpson case, how long did it take? All these famous cases, how long it take? Because you have to have witnesses. See, judgment takes time. Whoever does an atom's weight of evil shall see it. And everything is in the book. Everything that we do is in the book. It's written in the book. And we're going to have to be judged on Yawm al-Qiyamah. لا تزول قدم عبد يوم القيامة حتى يسأل عن عمله من أين يكتسب وفيما أنفق. Son, the feet of the servant of Allah will not move on the day of judgment until he is asked many things. One of them is, how did you earn your wealth? Ted Turner. Where you get it from? Yeah, I got billions of dollars, but where did you get the billions of dollars from? You're going to be asked on Yawm al-Qiyamah, and you got to give an accountant. Did you get it because you stole from somebody? Did you kill somebody for it? Did you use it in a business, in a business that's not permissible by Allah? How did you earn your money? This is the judgment day now. And then how did you spend it? Yeah, I got all this money and I spend it the way I want to spend it. No, you don't, buddy. Because they're going to be an accountant, and that takes time.